In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly add your Calendly scheduling page directly to your Squarespace website, making it easier for clients to book appointments with you without the hassle of back-and-forth emails. Let's dive right in. To get started, we're going to navigate to Calendly. So, open your web browser and log in to your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all your scheduled events. Choose the calendar you wish to integrate with your Squarespace site. On the calendar panel, spot the three dots on the upper right corner and give them a click. This menu unfolds several options, but what we're interested in here is the Add to Website feature. Go ahead and select that. Now you'll see various embed options. For this integration, click on Inline Embed. This method allows your scheduling page to appear directly within a page on your Squarespace site, creating a smooth, professional experience for your visitors. Once you've clicked on Inline Embed, proceed by clicking Continue. This step is crucial as it confirms your choice and displays the code you'll need to embed. Next up, you'll see a button labeled Copy Code. Click on this to copy the embed code to your clipboard. This is the HTML snippet that you'll be pasting into your Squarespace site. Now that you have your embed code, it's time to head over to Squarespace. In your Squarespace dashboard, go to the page where you want to add the Calendly calendar. You'll want to click on the option to Add Block to the page. This allows you to input different content blocks, such as text, images, and, importantly for us, embed codes. Once you've clicked Add Block, look for the option labeled Embed. This is where you will paste the Calendly code you've just copied. But before pasting, click on Edit in the Embed block to access the code input area. Click on Code Snippet or Embed Data, depending on how your Squarespace editor is currently set up. In this text box, you're going to paste the Calendly embed code that you copied earlier. Take a moment to make sure the code looks right and hasn't been altered during the copy and paste process. Once the code is pasted in, click Save. This updates the page and makes the Calendly scheduling tool live for visitors on your site. And that's it. Your Calendly is now integrated with your Squarespace site, allowing visitors to easily schedule appointments or meetings with you directly from your page. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that it enhances the usability and professionalism of your website. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.